Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by extracting the sound from TikTok because iPhone alarms need a local audio file. First, save the TikTok sound or screen record the clip. Once done, open voice memos or files and trim the clip to the exact portion you want for the alarm. Make sure to remove intro silence. Export the trimmed file as an M4A or AAC in Files so it's ready for import into iTunes or GarageBand. This step creates the compatible audio you'll transfer to your. Now convert and import the clip into the iPhone's ringtone system so you can assign it to an alarm. Open GarageBand, create a new audio recorder project, then import the trimmed M4A from Files. Edit the region to 30 seconds or less because iOS limits ringtones. Next, export using Share right arrow ringtone, choose a name and export. When GarageBand finishes, it will offer to use or save the tone. This converts the TikTok audio into a system Sound the Clock app can access. Finally, assign the new sound to your alarm and verify it works. Open Clock, tap Alarm, edit or create an alarm, then choose Sound and pick the ringtone you exported. Make sure the alarm volume is up and Do Not Disturb or bedtime modes aren't silencing alarms. If the ringtone doesn't appear, reopen GarageBand and re-export as a ringtone, then reboot the phone. That resolves most visibility issues. If sound cuts off, shorten to 30 seconds and re-export. This fixes format or length conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.